Shock your space with a single upgrade. Oversized porcelain tiles that stretch wall to wall, creating luxurious scale with almost invisible grout lines. Their subtle sheen bounces light, making rooms feel taller and more curated without changing a single piece of furniture. Welcome to Decor like Dream, where modern living rooms meet timeless polish. Today, we're unlocking luxury modern floor tile designs that feel indulgent, live durable, and elevate everyday moments into gallery calm. Luxury now favors restraint. Large format slabs, micro-textured stone looks, and velvet matte finishes create serenity, while precision edges keep lines razor clean. Pair that quiet base with soft drama, feathered veining, tonal marbling, or a single book-matched moment. Whether you lean mid-century, Scandinavian, or urban loft, these foundations harmonize beautifully. The aim is a cohesive canvas that guides furniture placement and accent choices, so every layer, from sofa height to lamp metal, feels intentional. Color sets the mood. Warm neutrals, greige, oat, mushroom, and cocoa deliver hotel suite elegance. Cooler notes like ash, fog, and graphite carve modern depth. Four bolder spaces, espresso tiles with pale grout create crisp contrast, while creamy limestone looks with faint gold veining add soft glamour. Complement with upholstery in camel, charcoal, or mineral blue, then weave in metals, champagne, bronze, or blackened steel, to echo the tile's undertone and keep the palette focused, calm, and sophisticated. Furniture sings when floors do the heavy lifting. Low-slung sectionals, curved accent chairs, and marble-top tables skim across broad tiles, letting joints disappear and pathways read uninterrupted. Float seating slightly off the walls to showcase perimeter detailing, and anchor conversation zones with textured rugs large enough to overlap multiple tiles. Walnut, rift-cut oak, or matte black legs ground the scheme. Brushed brass or smoke chrome introduces quiet sparkle that mirrors the floor's geometry. Small room, big ambition. Lay tiles in a staggered or diagonal pattern to lengthen sightlines, or frame the space with a darker border that visually expands the center. Run the same flooring into adjacent areas to erase thresholds and boost flow. Choose a light reflectance value that suits your daylight. Brighter tiles in shaded rooms, richer midtones where sun is strong. Keep grout thin and color match to reduce visual noise and preserve that museum-grade calm. Your living room deserves a floor that feels custom, resilient, and effortlessly modern. Choose a palette, pick a format, and let every other choice flow from that confident foundation. Share what you're planning in the comments. I'd love to help refine layouts and pairings. This is Decor Like Dream, your guide to luxurious simplicity at home. If this inspired your next project, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.